It's been over 2 years, viewers, that the Delhi excise policy, the big liquor gate scam that was spoken very much in studios and outside, dominated headlines. At the back of which Arvind Kejriwal lost an election on the corruption taint which stemmed from the liquor gate scam in Delhi. Raids, arrests, courtroom dramas and relentless political fire. Today, the Rouse Avenue Court delivered a stinging setback to the prosecution and the CBI. Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia and others the case against them has been dismissed. Also, what the court did was bring in the CBI, questioned the investigating officer on why disciplinary action should not be taken against the CBI.
केजरीवाल जज नहीं है।
कोर्ट के ऑर्डर के बाद ये साबित हो गया देश के सामने केजरीवाल कट्टर ईमानदार है।
From tears in custody to tears of relief. From being branded the alleged conspirators of a multi-crore liquor scam to walking out of court discharged. A dramatic collapse in one of the most politically explosive cases in recent memory. A special court at Delhi's Rouse Avenue has discharged former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia and 20 others, dismantling the CBI's case point by point. And the language is unequivocal. No evidence of manipulation in policy formulation. Serious allegations lack material proof. The claim that Kejriwal was a central conspirator cannot be sustained. He appears to have been implicated largely because he was chief minister and party leader. A warning too that public confidence suffers when prosecutions proceed without solid proof. On Manish Sisodia, the findings are equally blunt. Prosecution case fails judicial scrutiny. No criminal intent established. The overarching conspiracy theory lacks force. Contradictions run through the prosecution narrative. No evidence against him in his capacity as minister. The court did not stop there. It questioned the very architecture of the investigation. A case built on conjecture and speculative constructs. Facts arranged to fit a predetermined conclusion. A narrative resting on fragmented circumstances. A methodology that risks investigative overreach. In effect, the prosecution collapses under its own weight. Outside the court, visible relief, folded hands, teary eyes. Kejriwal calls it vindication and alleges a sustained political witch hunt using central agencies.
मैं उनको कहना चाहता हूं प्रधानमंत्री जी, केवल सत्ता की जो प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी की और अमित शाह जी की सत्ता की हवस है, ये उसका नतीजा है जो ये षड्यंत्र रचा गया।
सारा षड्यंत्र मोदी जी ने चुनाव के लिए तो किया था, अपनी राजनीति को बचाए रखने के लिए और चुनाव जीतने के लिए। आज आप दिल्ली का चुनाव करा लीजिए, आज केजरीवाल 70 में से 70 सीटें लेके आएंगे, क्योंकि केजरीवाल को दिल्ली की जनता एक अलग लेवल पे अपना मानती है। उनका केजरीवाल, दिल्ली की जनता का केजरीवाल आज कोर्ट सर्टिफाइड कट्टर ईमानदार साबित होकर निकला है।
The BJP counters sharply, insisting the legal battle is not over yet.
सीबीआई उच्च अदालत में जा रही है। हम किसी अदालत पे टिप्पणी नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि ये केस उच्च अदालत में जाएगा और दिल्ली को लूटने वाले, दिल्ली को कई तरह से लूटने वाले ऐसे शराब घोटालेबाज अरविंद केजरीवाल को सजा मिलेगी।
The Congress has a different tack, attacking Aam Aadmi Party as a convenient ally of the BJP, whose cases cool down at politically opportune moments.
Arvind Kejriwal is an ally of convenience for the BJP. Here, in this case, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is now being prepared. He's been sent back into the washing machine. He's come out spick and span, freshly bathed, because there is election coming in Punjab and Gujarat, where they want to use him against the Congress.
Several India bloc allies close ranks. Akhilesh Yadav, Mehbooba Mufti and MK Stalin question what they call selective central agency action. And that brings us to the larger question. For years, the narrative was thunderous: scam, conspiracy, kingpins. But in a court, volume does not matter. Evidence does. A judge has now said the case could not withstand judicial scrutiny. For Kejriwal, it is a political oxygen. For the CBI, uncomfortable scrutiny. And for Indian democracy, a sobering reminder. State power can prosecute. Only proof can convict. With Shrishti Ojha, Ashutosh Mishra and Aishwarya Paliwal, Bureau Report, India Today.